All right, guys, my 2021 Imagine XLS 22MLE is home. I cannot even believe it. I'm so excited. My first RV. All right, I'll go over the outside next time, but let's take a look inside. 22MLE. It's actually got a friction door hinge, so it stays, which is kind of nice. Aluminum steps. Fire extinguisher. First of all, I love this little cubby when you walk in. You can put your shoes in there. All right. The bedroom. Queen size bed. Haven't slept on it yet. Just got it yesterday. Cannot wait. Under here, there's some storage, which is really cool. Oops, it's loud. One of the things I loved about Grand Designs is their storage. So, like, this is a wardrobe. That's pretty deep. Then you have drawers. And they all have latches. Awesome. It's actually a good size. USB, GFCI outlet. And these, sorry, I'm not plugged into power yet. I still need the adapter. These are reading lights that are like a nice warm glow or a blue. And then this is so smart. Another GFCI outlet and more USB next to the bed. So smart. Okay, moving on. I'll do the couch. So, 2 recliners. Actually really comfortable. And then we also have heat, lit up, or massage, which is really, really cool. Dinette. This also folds into a bed. Haven't done it yet, so it looks like it'd be a little tight. Maybe for kids. The other thing, this is the way the cushions were. They were like facing out that way. I don't like that fabric, but I like it like this. So pretty. And this is like, you probably can't see it in the video. It's obviously not stone, but it's a really pretty finish. TV. It's a Roku TV. There's the remote. All your control panel, DVD player, CD player, radio, your tanks, and this can also be controlled by your phone. Can't wait to set that up. Awning slide. Kitchen. I also love the wood color in here. I think it's really pretty. And little things like this little metallic strip. That's so pretty. So fridge, I think it's 8 cubic inch. One thing I liked about this that I didn't see in some of the other travel trailers in this price range was you can put these up to keep your food from flying around the place. So that's really, really cool. Freezer. There's a bar missing here. I'll have to look. That's probably somewhere. And this can be run off gas or electric. Little microwave. It's small, but I mean, it's plenty big enough for being on the road. There's a little light right here. Well, actually, that's a good point I want to talk about. So there's a light here. There's one over the couch, one over the door, that little tiny one. I believe they're motion sensing, and there's one over the sink. I may just use those lights because when these are all on, it's actually like really bright in here. So almost too bright. So I'll probably use those. Furrion 3 burner stove. Can't wait to use this. And then a cute little oven. It's perfect. And look at all the storage. And these feel sturdy, like a nice latch. Wow, that's actually pretty big. This is also kind of like my first tour. I mean, I saw it at the dealer, but like playing with it and stuff. It's cute. Oh yeah, and this. Look at this. It's huge. Plenty of pans in there. More storage over here. This is like I can't even fit my whole arm in here. Look at You can't see because it's dark, but this is gigantic. I'll definitely need some kind of sliders. More drawers. Very nice. Control panel down there. We have a propane alarm, thermostat, and look at all this counter space. I could cook in here. Nice single basin sink, not a dual, which I hate, so that's cool. More storage with the cute little metal strips. That's big. This goes back to the corner. It's awesome. Is there a wall there? Yeah. Very nice. And I love these. See if I can reach it. Ugh. Get some airflow in here. Very cool. Little button for the fan. And the bathroom. Nice pocket door. Like stuff like this. It's just nice. Very nice. I also like the wood tone. I probably already said that. I don't remember. So this shower skylight in there, it's actually plenty big enough for me. We have a nice sink, medicine cabinets, more storage here, toilet, and there's even towel storage. Let's see. Very nice. Very cool. More storage here. And more storage here. Your water lines. Nothing's leaking. That's good. So yeah, I cannot wait to go somewhere in this. Also, one thing I forgot to mention. These windows all have blackout blinds, which is so nice. And they slow retract. So you're not like ripping it apart. And another thing, I'll take a video once I plug in. When this big slide is out, you can actually still walk back to the bathroom, which is really nice. You're not, you know, cut off from anything. So until next time, thanks for watching. Hi, Sam. What are you doing?